mini quad review. Quick short before fully tested. Nice little remote, AAA batteries, USB, spare props, screwdriver. You get 2 batteries of this, which is pretty cool. Easy to bind, altitude hold as well. Turn it on, turn it on. Cool, funky LED lights, absolutely, which can also be adjusted at the press of a button. Have a look at that. Altitude hold, which basically means you can put it wherever and it'll maintain its altitude like it is now. Really cool. This thing here is lots of fun. Review coming up. Check out my channel. See you soon, guys. That's neat. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I've got something a little bit different than my normal FPV gear. I've got something very, very basic, entry level. This is the neat little SG300 indoor, and I'm fairly certain we can also fly it outdoors. There's some cockies down there. Hopefully they won't take a liking to it. If anybody out there wants something really simple, easy and safe to fly for your grandkids, kids, etc., this is the drone for you. Really, really cheap, entry level, super easy to fly, capable of a couple of little neat tricks which I'll show you. Comes with 2 batteries. You need to purchase your 3 AAAs. I've done a quick unboxing, check it out on the screen. Let's have a fly. It's not FPV or anything, it is line of sight. It does do a few tricks, flips. It's got some nice little LED lights, and overall, yeah, a really cheap little fun package for you to rip around the house in if you're ever bored. Okay, let's chuck him up, see how she goes. Button on the top turns it on, so we can see we have our flashing lights. Bind it, up and down, constant beep, you hear it bound. Pull the sticks left and right down, and we are good to fly. Once you've turned it on, you can adjust the LED lights on top simply by pressing the left stick a number of times. It gives you a few different options. We have a speed controller here, 1 press for slow, 2 for slightly faster. We have a roll button here. Long pressing the right button also puts you into headless mode, and you can also invert your controller. So we push this button here. There we go, little flip. That's pretty cool. Another one, push the button. Whoa, and around it goes. A few little beeps just to warn you it's about to do a flip and a roll. Yeah, and with the props, guys, you can bounce this around inside all you like. It's not going to damage anything. Lots of fun. Range isn't huge, so it does go out of range. You will find it is very hard to control and just seems to do its own thing. Let's get another flip or 2 happening here before we run out of power. Jeez. I just pushed this button here, and look how close it got to the water. Definitely more of an indoor unit. However, you can have lots of fun with it outdoors. Doesn't like the wind very much, as you can see. It's just disappearing. Let's do our one-touch landing. And as you can see with altitude hold, guys, it's it's really is super safe for